বাংলাদেশের বাইরে পৃথিবীর প্রত্যন্ত অঞ্চলে প্রবাসী ভাই বোনদের পক্ষ থেকে আমি দিদারুল মুস্তফা বাংলাদেশের পরিস্থিতি নিয়ে কিছু আলোচনা করার জন্য আহ্বান জানিয়েছিলাম ঢাকা বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ের সাবেক অধ্যাপক ডক্টর মইনুল আহসান খান। উনি এখন আমার সাথে আছেন। আমি এখন স্যারের কাছে জানতে চাচ্ছি কারফিউ পরবর্তী বাংলাদেশের পরিস্থিতি কি?
বিসমিল্লাহির রহমানির রহিম। কারফিউ পরিস্থিতি কি এই কথাই সবাই জিজ্ঞেস করতেছেন। একটি কথা অত্যন্ত পরিষ্কার, the military of our country has made it very clear that they would not shoot on any person in the street. They refuse to shoot anybody, that is clear. This information was confirmed by various TV channels in the neighboring countries like Calcutta and other places. In fact, the government has isolated physically and informationally Bangladesh from the rest of the world. Only sources we are getting, personal sources, and the people, those who are coming from Dhaka to different places. Flights from Dhaka to Bangkok still going on, so we are getting some news from that sources as well. What we understood, that the resistance movement is going on and most of the people are with the resistance movement. Nobody is against the resistance movement. Only the issue is whether they should talk with the government, they should sit down in a meeting with the government or not. The student communities and other people who joined them, they made it very clear that with the blood in the hands of the ruling party, they would not sit with this government. They wanted to make sure that this government had to resign. This government had to resign before any settling down the issues. Issues are no more the quota movement. Issues are now the resistance movement against the government. And this resistance movement had already great casualties. Officially it has been said 130 people have been killed, but unofficially the casualties and the number of shaheed are manifolds. So good news is that military is in the street. It is a good news for us for two reasons. One is this is the last resort government has, and the military refused to shoot anybody down in the street or kill anybody in the street. So these two things are good development. And what would be your next question?
স্যার, আমার আরেকটি প্রশ্ন, এই যে এতগুলা মানুষ মারা যাচ্ছে, এখানে তো শুধু সাধারণ ছাত্রছাত্রী না, এখানে মারা যাচ্ছে ছাত্রলীগ, এখানে মারা যাচ্ছে ছাত্র দলের, এখানে মারা যাচ্ছে পুলিশ, এখানে মারা যাচ্ছে আপামর জনতা। তাহলে ক্ষমতার জন্য এতগুলা মানুষের প্রাণহানি আমরা কেন বুঝতেছি না যে কেন আমরা একজন, এটা অনেকটা গৃহযুদ্ধের মতো মনে হচ্ছে আমার কাছে। আপনি এই ব্যাপারে কি চিন্তা করছেন একটু জানান।
I would not term it as a civil war. because people are united and people are not divided. Many historians don't understand the movements in terms of mass uprising. This is the age of mass uprising. This is completely a Ganojagaran. It is a mass uprising. Whether it will go up to the revolution, that is to be seen. But this is not a civil war. But it is true the ruling party and their domestic and international friends, they want to see a civil war. But our military made it very clear, and the student communities and the movement leadership had made it clear they don't like to see any civil war type of confrontation. So from that point of view, it is a good movement, mass movement, uprising of the people. And we are hoping this time the government and the ruling party will not be getting away with so many blood and lives of the ordinary people. And it is, you are right, it is simply keeping themselves in the power. There is nothing above that. But for the agitating people, they have many stakes. Especially they want to see that the justice should be upheld and their rights should be fulfilled properly. So I would not call it as a civil war. We are hoping for the best for the country.
এই পরিস্থিতিতে এখন আমরা দেশের খবরাখবর জানতে পারতেছি না। কিভাবে আমরা কার উপর নির্ভর করতে পারি, কোন চ্যানেলে বা দেখলে আমরা সঠিক খবর পাবো, বা কার কাছে আমরা সঠিক খবর পেতে পারি, সেটা বিষয়ে একটু আমাদেরকে যদি জানান।
Thank you so much. This is a very good question, that how we can get latest information and on whom we can rely. You see, the government had made a terrible things in the country. No TV outlet, no radio, nothing is giving any information. In these circumstances, what we have noticed, that different channel from Calcutta is giving good news, the latest news about the movement in Bangladesh. So we can rely some of the information channel, some TVs from Calcutta, and also we should rely on the people, those who are coming from Bangladesh. Just those who are coming today, or they came yesterday and today they will be coming, these type of things. So this is all matter of person and group. And I would suggest that those who are living outside in different countries, they should make different groups to communicate between themselves and also collect latest information to disseminate those information around the world.
আরেকটা বিষয় স্যার, ইন্টারনেট থেকে শুরু করে সব কিছু এই অত্যাধুনিক যুগে সব বন্ধ করে দিয়ে সরকার এখন কি চায়, বা আন্দোলনকারীরা বা তাদের লক্ষ্যই বা এখন কি, সেটা যদি স্পষ্ট করতেন।
The government, their only mission and vision is to keep themselves in power. So their rule for last 2 decades was terrible, and they have humiliated the entire nation. They killed thousands of people. They did so many terrible things. For example, they are sitting in power without any election. They made mockery of the democracy. So on behalf of the government, it is very clear that they have no other intention but to hold the power. On the part of the student movements and the movements in general, people initially thought this is a student movement alone, but now it is a mass movement, and they want that this government should go. Hasina government, Sheikh Hasina government should go. It is too far, too long, and they have been doing injustice to the people. They were barbaric. They were the people, they were practically butchered many people we don't know. For example, now we are saying the official death toll is 130 or 40, but many people are saying to us that the actual Shohid is more than 500. So yet it to be verified. So from the on behalf of the movement people, on behalf of the uprising people, it is clear that they don't want any talk further. They just want to see that this government should be toppled down.
ধন্যবাদ স্যার আপনাকে আজকে এখানে আসার জন্য। আমি প্রবাসী ভাই বোনদের যারা দেখতেছেন বা শুনতেছেন আমাদের বক্তব্যগুলো, আপনাদের কোনো যদি বক্তব্য থাকে বা প্রশ্ন থাকে আমাদের কমেন্টসে এসে লিখবেন, আমরা যথাসাধ্য চেষ্টা করব আপনাদের উত্তর দিতে। ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে।